Managing HR with just a laptop has never been easier, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to streamline HR tasks without needing complex systems or a whole team on hand. Stick around till the end for a little surprise that'll help you get started. First, let's talk about how to manage HR tasks from your laptop. One of the easiest ways to get started is with cloud-based HR software. You don't need an office full of HR personnel or expensive hardware. With the right tools, you can manage employee records, track time off, onboard new hires, and even handle payroll, all from your laptop. Now, you've probably heard about some popular HR software options out there. I've tested quite a few, and the one we'll be using today simplifies the entire process while being scalable for both small businesses and large companies. In fact, it makes it possible to perform HR duties like tracking performance reviews, sending out benefits reminders, and managing recruitment, all with just a few clicks. To kick things off, let's dive into employee data management. With the software we'll be using, you can easily upload, store, and access all your employee data securely in the cloud. No more digging through paper files or struggling to keep track of spreadsheets. Every employee's info, from contact details to job titles and performance reviews, can be accessed quickly and updated in real time. Next up is time tracking and attendance. Instead of relying on a manual clock-in system, the software allows employees to log their hours directly through an easy-to-use interface. You can also monitor overtime, vacation days, and sick leave from your laptop, ensuring you're always up to date without any extra effort. Moving on to payroll, which is usually a headache for HR, the software we're using can automate calculations, making payroll processing much faster and reducing human errors. You can set up recurring pay schedules, and it will calculate taxes, deductions, and other payroll-related tasks automatically. It even integrates with tax agencies, so you're always compliant with federal and state regulations. When it comes to recruiting, you can create job postings, screen resumes, and schedule interviews, all from your laptop. No more juggling between platforms or handling tons of paperwork. Everything you need to onboard new hires is all in one place. Performance management is another area where HR software really shines. You can set up continuous feedback systems, schedule performance reviews, and track development goals, all from your laptop. This keeps your team aligned with company objectives, and it helps employees grow within the organization. Lastly, compliance. HR has to stay on top of regulations, from labor laws to employee rights. With the right software, you'll get notifications and reminders when compliance dates are approaching, ensuring you stay on track without missing important deadlines. Now, here's your reason to stick around until the end. I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it from the link in the description below and follow along. Key takeaway: managing HR with just a laptop is entirely possible. And with the right software, you can handle everything from employee records to payroll, time tracking, and performance reviews. It's all about simplifying your processes and staying organized so your business can run smoothly. Quick recap: upload and manage employee data, track time and attendance, automate payroll, streamline recruitment, and manage performance, all from your laptop. And don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial of the software in the description. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, check out the free trial and start managing HR with just your laptop today.